Hey guys, Ryan here again today with you. I'm going to go over the installation of these FatMat sound control, sound deadening adhesives. If you take a look back here on the bottom row, you'll notice there's already some adhesives already applied from the manufacturers, but there's a good portion of the van that doesn't have it. So we're going to go ahead and install that today. I got this 50-foot section on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put that link in the description below. Comes with a roller to assist with the application, a cutter, and you may want to have a measuring tape to get specific cuts because some of these dimensions are a little difficult. I used a scrap piece of wood so that I can cut the mat on top of. I used the glass cleaner to clean the surface prior to application. There really isn't a need to cover the entire van, just the larger portions of the sheet metal. I used the peel and press method, starting from the top and letting gravity assist. The insulation process will fortify your soundproofing efforts. I may add more once I begin working on the floors, but that will be in another video. Stay tuned.